Hello YouTube vintage stereo collectors. Well, this is interesting. Harman Kardon 230A stereo receiver, vintage 1971-72, depending where you look. Not a lot about these on the internet. Early solid state receiver made by Harman. Two versions of the 230 in the early days. The basic 230 was made in Japan and the 230A made in Taiwan, which is kind of interesting. But I want to talk more about this from the point of eBay. Recently, I've been kind of disappointed with some of the stuff on eBay. It's either overpriced junk or the shipping is too high. And then once in a while, you find something awesome that exceeds your expectations. Nobody was bidding on this one. It was shown for parts, as is, which makes sense. Even though it did say in the description, has been working until recently. And so I took a chance on it. I put the opening bid in and got it for the opening bid. And boy, am I surprised opening this up. I mean, the thing, it's so clean. And where I look is around volume and function controls. Is there any wear on the stenciling? No. No. Around the tuning knob, the knobs aren't even dirty, which is really fantastic. And this one has an awesome backlit display. And if you go to AM, it lights up on this side, which is kind of neat. It has the original backlight bulbs in it, but somebody has changed the stereo indicator and used scotch tape instead of electrical tape, so I'll fix that. Everything else looks amazingly original. It has the original outputs. All the caps on the boards are original. And this is the interesting thing when I look at things like, for instance, the rubber seals on the end of these 50-year-old caps. Usually there's a little bit of leakage there. No, nothing. No hum in the audio. FM works great. This one's just so clean. The metal lid has the odd little mark on it. This was used years ago and put on a shelf somewhere, probably in a box, to stay this clean. And at the back, where the vents are, you usually get a lot of debris, dust. Nothing. It looks like new inside. I almost hate to recap this one. In fact, I'm going to run it for a while, see how stable it is, just for interest's sake. I've checked voltages in it, bias voltage, center voltage. It all seems to be right. One sign if you have leaky caps, power transformer gets hot. No, doesn't seem to do that. But this is one of these pleasant surprises that you get on eBay once in a while. And it was packed amazingly, double boxed, packing peanuts. I have a garbage bag full of packing peanuts. I can reuse them, but just amazing the way this was packed. So it arrived in great shape. And funny, the ad only had a couple pictures, as is description. Just one of those ones that you open up and you go, wow. And this is what amazes me. Let me close on this. Here we have another piece of 50-year-old electronics. It still works. It still sounds great. Outperforms many newer components, and you can challenge me on that, but I say it does. Amazing FM stereo. Very clean, nice sound. Low power, about 12 watts, but sounds like more. But, I mean, to be that old and to still work well is amazing. Tells you about the way they were built. Anyway, thanks for watching and listening.